Again, so in this video, I will show you how to use the module for our class. Okay, now let's share with you this page. Okay, go to the home page in Canvas. We learned in a previous video about the course overview. As I said, is very important. You have to read the syllabus, get information, how our class will go, what's required from you, and then about your instructor, how you will contact me, about the office hour. Now, click on Learner module. That's what's required from you for each module in our class, for each chapter. As I said, we will have 2 chapters on each module. So click here. First of all, the first few modules is just some information about the class, like the welcome to chemistry. When you will click here on it, it will take you to the welcome home page, which is this one. Then, guys, you can use the next icon here. Okay, it will take you to the next page. Okay, so that's very important also. When you are dealing with the module, click on the next, because it will take you step by step what's required from you. So here, click next. Here, what you need to do to pass this course. This is very important also. Try to read this information, okay? So to understand what's required from you in this class and how you will pass this class. Okay, so as I said, this class is 100% online class. This is how I will contact you. You need, for example, to follow this step to be able to pass this course and understanding the material. Use the module in Canvas and go to each module by clicking on that module. It will take you through the module step by step. In each module, you will go step by step. First, read what's required from you in that module, which chapter we will cover, and then click next. It will take you to the, for example, to the lecture note, PowerPoint, video. Then you practice with this example. Then next to another step, it will take you to the online homework and a quiz, and later for the discussion, a lab, and at the end of that module, we will have the exam, which it will be also online. So that's what you need to do. And here, for example, what you need to do to pass this class, there's a video, you can see it. You can either click next, it will take you to the next step, or go back to the welcome page, click on the learning module, it will take you to the module. So this is a landing page. It will show you what in this class and what's required from you. So here, for example, there is something, it's called, look here, welcome chemistry, and what you need to pass, which you already see. Here, essential math, it's recommended to practice with some important math that you will require, that you will need it in this class. Try to practice with it. So when you will click on it, so it will give you some information for the math, some example, how to deal with the most important math information here in this class. You're done with it? You will click next. It will take you, for example, to the periodic table. So you will use this periodic table here, or there is another version. There's a dynamic periodic table. I will post it later during the semester. So this is the periodic table that we will use it. Now you're done with the landing page module. Go back. You can go to the module directly. So we're done with this one. Now let's go to the next module, getting started. Okay. So here, about your instructor, being successful in the class. Okay, so click on it. So this is our office hour. You know what that, click next. Being successful in the course. Try to read these, guys, okay? Also, if you need any help with the Canvas, there is some information that will help you with the Canvas. Okay, now, look here, guys. Introduce yourself. This discussion is graded, and it is very important because you have to participate on it on the first day. Otherwise, I will drop you from the class. Okay, now we'll see the goal of this discussion. Now we'd like to know more about you. This discussion is offered to encourage you to get to know your peer in the course, on the class, and share your current thought about chemistry. Here, when you will post a replay. Okay, so for example, if you will go down here, when you will click on replay, you will be able to post your answer. Okay, so for first post replay with this assignment by Monday, first day of the class night at 11:59 p.m. Your post, please include brief summary of your background. Give us some background information about yourself. Share some of your feeling and perception about chemistry. So this is will be 3 points. Then by Wednesday night, so the first things, the post, every student has to post it by Monday. Otherwise, I will drop you from the class. By Wednesday, you will come back, or even maybe Monday or Tuesday, whatever you have a time, but before Wednesday night at 11:59 p.m. Review your peer post and find at least one peer that you can start conversation with. Give some feedback, okay? Not, please guys, your comment shouldn't be yeah, me too, or agree. No, give us some meaningful reply. So this will be 2 points. 3 points for the post, for the reply to appear 2 points. And that's what we will do in each discussion, even with the summary. We will come to the discussion, we will give a summary, give example, and then later you will reply to a peer by giving a feedback, correct something for the information that give. For example, when he's talking about summary, give some additional information, give something like meaningful. Okay, so here also sources, if you need to know how to replay a discussion, that's what we'll show you here, how you will replay to a discussion. And this is the grading, which is rubric grading. So you're done with the discussion, click next. Textbook, as I say, your textbook is free. That's how you will get your textbook. Getting started with Canvas, if you need some help, how to use the Canvas, some support, Canvas support, technical support. Okay, still some information about Canvas. Student support service, disability resource from our college. Next, some online resources, academic integrity, careful with the plagiarism, cheating. Guys, cheating in the class, okay, especially if this is online, cheating in the class, not maybe you will get only 0 on the exam, but maybe I will tell you the class. Okay, so be careful guys with cheating. You can read here about the plagiarism and the cheating. And other things, guys, especially for the exam. Don't waste your time and try to cheat or copy and paste for that question to look for the answer on Google, or ask some friend or contact your classmate. Here's what's gonna happen in the Chem 101 app exam. The questions will be random, okay? And algorithmic for the mathematical question, okay? So you will not get the same numbers or the same order of the question. Maybe the same idea, yes, but not the same. So don't waste your time and try to cheat from your classmate. I'm not talking about everyone, guys, okay? But cheating, it's happened, and unfortunately, through the online classes, it's happened a lot. And another things, to reduce the cheating, I try to give you a limited time, okay? And of course, I will follow what's recommended from the Kim 101 app time to give you like a time frame that you can just answer the question. If you will try to copy paste, look for some answer, for some other helps, you will waste your time and you will not be able to answer all the questions. Okay, so and as I said, this is one way that I can control the cheating for the online exam. Okay, so tech service and computer resources here. As I said, guys, it's better to go through all this. Now, registering for Kim 101 app. Okay, you can go back to module also, like we're done with the getting started. Okay, we're done with all these. Now, the next module, it is Kim 101 app. It's required, guys. Okay, click here, registration for Kim 101 app. Okay, it is required to do the online homework, the quizzes, and the online exam. There is some instruction here, but it will help you to register through the Kim 101 app. Okay, so here, when you will click on this instruction, it will give you all the details that's required to register for Kim 101 app for this class. Okay, guys, so here, guys, there is a mistake here for this instruction. It will show you, for example, here, Kim 202 class, okay? Our class is Kim 100, okay? So it will be the same instruction. Go, for example, to assignment and look for Kim 101 online homework or online homework and quiz. So that's what you're gonna do, just follow the step. But as I said, instead of Kim 202 class, we have Kim 100. And you will follow these instructions to register through the Kim 101 app. You don't need any code, okay? Because the registration, it will be from your Canvas, okay? So there is no code. And guys, try to use your name as appear in the class here in Canvas. Don't use another name, because some students, they use another name. And also some students, they don't capitalize the first letter. This is a big problem in the Kim 101 app. And sometimes confusing, like I'm looking for some students and I didn't find them, and they are in the bottom of the list of the students where they are supposed to be, maybe in the top or in the middle. Because what? Because they didn't capitalize the first letter of their name. So just use the same name as you have it here in the college or the campus, okay? And as I said, guys, this is the instruction. So you will go to the assignment. Okay, so look to the Kim 101. Maybe the assignment, when you will see it, it will be a little bit different because some assignment is not published. So just look for Kim 101 online homework and the quiz. Click on it. Now load here. It will take you to the page of the Kim 101 app and follow the instruction to register. Okay, so right now this is your class, for example. But for you, no, you have to follow the instruction to register. Okay, now let's go back to the Canvas. And as I said, that's what you have to do it on the first few days to start working with the online homework. Okay, so we're done with the Kim 101 app registration. Now, we have the module chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay, which is on the first module in the first 2 weeks, okay, which I will talk about it in another video. See you guys in another video.